In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to add a gradient color to your text in Canva. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Canva account, and once you log in, you will either be taken to a home dashboard or to the templates dashboard. Now, regardless of where you are, navigate over to the left-hand column and click on projects. Now, once you are inside all your projects, you just simply want to navigate over to the project in which you'd like to add a gradient color to text for. Now, once the project is open in Canva's design editor, you want to click on the specific text that you'd like to apply this to. So let's say it's this professional summary. Now, when you click on a specific text element, there will be a top row of formatting options that appears. You want to click on text color. Now, when you click on text color, there'll be a left-hand menu of text color configurations and settings that appears. Inside this menu, in the section called text colors, you want to click on the add a new color option, which is a rainbow palette with a plus icon in it. So once you click on that, there will be two tabs, a solid color tab as well as a gradient tab. You want to click on the gradient tab. Now, inside this tab, there are two sections, gradient colors and style. We're going to start with gradient colors. To add a new gradient color, click the rainbow color palette with the plus icon in it and create your new gradient. And as you're doing this, there's a preview of the gradient here, as well as on the actual elements that you're editing. Now, once you're happy with the gradient color, come down to style and you can select different styles for the gradient. And if you just click out of everything, you will have your newly added color gradient on your text. So now you can follow the exact same process to do this to every other element. Assuming that you want different gradient colors, then you can come back here and pick add a new gradient color, go to gradient, click that rainbow palette with the plus icon in it again, and you can add the new gradient. And if you would like to apply it to every text element on your page, you do have the option. Simply just come down to the bottom of the text color window and you can click on change all, and it will change all of the text on the page to use that same color gradient. So I hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have had any issues or problems along the way, any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below, and I will respond to them as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.